Ouch. You have to step, not move your hands. Yeah, like that. Use the legs a lot for this game, not your hands. Oh! Good job. Yeah, use your legs. Use your legs. Move with your legs, not with your hands. Yeah, there we go.